Power, peace, purpose. Hello, I'm Sensei Lynn, and I welcome you to the Kids Kicking Cancer Hero Circle. And I am so happy to be with you today. It's always my pleasure to share the Hero Circle with all of you. My question is this: how is your day? Of course, I hope you're having a marvelous day, enjoying good weather, fun times with your friends and family, or maybe just relaxing with a good book. But if something isn't quite right today, if you are bothered by something and you just can't get it off your mind, I think I can help. In the Kids Kicking Cancer Hero Circle, we really enjoy sharing the tools we have to help when we experience something that's making for a difficult day. Something that we aren't able to set aside so we can focus on what we need to get done, or to set it aside to just help us be calm and have peace of mind. In the Hero Circle, the things that keep us from focusing and moving forward are called darkness, such as frustration, fear, sadness, disappointment, worry, or pain. We can replace that darkness with light, all good things, like happiness, strength, courage, love, kindness, and peace. Have you ever wanted a reset button you could push to start fresh? To set aside whatever is bothering you, clear your mind, and focus on good things? In the Hero Circle, one of our meditative techniques is called the body scan. This is like a reset button. It helps us to relax all the muscles in our body and clear our mind. Then we can let go of any darkness and focus on the important things. And we do this by using the power of our breath. Our breath is so powerful, yet extremely soothing and relaxing. So, let's do a body scan right now. We start by relaxing in a favorite spot. We recommend you lay down, but you can sit if you prefer. Just find your favorite spot. And once you're in your comfy place, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe slowly in through your nose and out through your mouth. That's it. Just relax and breathe. And as you're breathing, start to relax the muscles in your face, in your forehead, around your eyes. Relax your jaw. Feel the coolness of the air as you breathe in and the warmth as you breathe out. Let your shoulders drop, releasing any tension around your neck. Keep breathing slowly. Feel the coolness of the air as you breathe in and the warmth as you breathe out. Whatever is on your mind right now, I want you to let it go. Just set it aside and focus only on your breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Very good. Starting at your neck, relax all the muscles in your back down to your waist. Feel each muscle relax, releasing any tension, discomfort, or pain. Feel the coolness of the air as you breathe in and the warmth as you breathe out. If any thoughts try to force their way back into your mind, just breathe them away. Breathe and relax. Let your arms relax at your sides, from your shoulders to your elbow to the tips of your fingers. As you're relaxing all your muscles, notice how soft and easy your breathing has become. Now relax the muscles in your chest down to your stomach and in your legs, to your knees, to your feet, and to the tips of your toes. Feel the coolness of the air as you breathe in and the warmth as you breathe out. Your muscles are all relaxed. Your mind is clear. Your breathing is slow and easy. You are in complete control. Keep breathing slowly. Enjoy the peace of this moment. And know that whenever you're having a difficult day and you need to hit the reset button, that you have the power of your mind and the power of your breath to help you. Power, peace, purpose.